Good morning, all. I'm Dr. Krishna Man, and this is my YouTube channel CBSE Tech Talks. And today I'm going to explain you coding for checking whether the number enter at the time of execution is odd or even. As we all know, even numbers are the numbers which are divisible by 2, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on. While odd numbers are the numbers which are not divisible by 2, like 1, 3, 5, 7. Let's start writing the coding for it. So I have opened IDLE. Now as I want to write program and I want to save the program for further use, so I have to open script in the script mode. So this is my script mode open. First of all, I would like to write comment. So this is program for checking whether the number is odd or even. After comment, first of all, before checking, we should have that number with us. So we have to read the value of number. So let the variable or identifier used for that or used to point the number is num. I want to take the values of integer type. You may go with float also. So int is a function which is going to convert the value taken by the system for the input command. All the values which you enter are taken into string. So to convert string into int, I need function int. So int input, and inside the parenthesis and inside the quotes, write the message which you want to be displayed on screen while entering the value. So I want enter any number to be displayed on the screen before getting value from me. Close the parenthesis. There are two parentheses, so we will be closing two parentheses. If you see, when we close the parenthesis, it is even indicating which parenthesis you are closing. After this, as we have to check, for checking we have if statement. So if, what we have to check? We have to check whether the remainder is 0 or not after dividing the number by 2. So for that we have num. Num is the identifier. To check the remainder, we have modulus operator. We are dividing by 2 and checking the remainder, and remainder is to be checked as 0. So when we are dividing number by 2, and if remainder is coming 0, then we have to display a message that the number enter is even number. So for that, print num comma is even number. So I have started the parenthesis, I have closed the parenthesis. There is only one statement in this if statement, so we have to move back. So under indentation only one statement will be there. So after this we have to write else. The E of else should be under I of if. So else, again this is a block statement. Now block may consist any number of statements starting from 1 to n. So else print num comma, you may give space in between so that it will be more readable, otherwise it will be very close to each other, it will not be readable properly. So num comma is odd number, parenthesis closed. After this we need to run this program because coding is over here only. So we need to run the program. So click on run. Under run, click on run module. When you will click on run module, it will ask for saving the program. Save before run or check. Source must be saved. Okay to save. If you don't want to save, if you press cancel, it is not going to save, neither it is going to execute. So there is no other way other than saving it. So we have to click on run. Then we have to click on, I'm showing again run module, and under that you have to click on OK for saving before running or checking. So once you will press OK, it is going to go to the location where you want to save. Already I have one folder Python programs on my system. So I'm opening that folder and I'm going to write here. So the program is odd even. Extension py will be added automatically. So add even and click on save. The moment you will save, you will be getting the ideally shell where you will be entering the number. Enter any number. If you see here, it was mentioned enter any number. I want to show you both the screens so that it will be clear to you. So see, if you see here, enter any number column. So it is showing the same message, enter any number. Here I have to enter any number. Let's take 25. So we know that 25 is not even number, it is odd number. So it should give us message as odd number. So 25 is odd number. Okay, let's try once more for even number also. So click on run. Now this time it has not asked for saving because the file is already saved. Now this time we will try with some even number. Let's take 22. So 22 is a even number. So it has message has come as 22 is even number. I think this program is clear to all how to check for odd number and even number. Now students, I have seen you watching my videos, but I want you people to like and subscribe. The reason being, the moment you will subscribe, so what benefit you will going to have is that the moment I will upload any video, that will be notified you, and if you are liking, even it motivates me to write program for you people. So I would like you to like, subscribe and share my videos. Thank you.